40, 40. There you go. Thank you. There's the denominator. Okay? So there is your 19 over 40. Now, why does the problem say keep it as fractions? Why? Because in these problems, when you're finding the odds what? Against or the odds in favor, you want to keep them as fractions because you're going to write your answer as odds against in a fraction form with a colon or a semicolon, whichever one that one is with two dots. Okay? That's a colon, isn't it? Dang old colonoscopy. Call it dang old colon. Alright, so that'd be 19 over 40. And this would be 21 to 19. And this, why should nobody get C wrong? I told y'all this in class. Because all you got to do is type in 18. Whatever this number is, okay, back that up. Don't type in 18. Somebody's going to type in 18 and say that I told them to type in 18. Forget that. Type in whatever number is right here. And at least, let's see, there's 11 times, how many questions are on the test? Okay, is that it? 11 times 20, 11 times 5 is what, 55? At least, everybody in here should make a 55.33 on this test. Everybody. Will they? Nope. Somebody will make a 26. All right, what's this one? 18 times 21 over 19. Somebody do that for me. Take 21, divide it by 19, and multiply it by 18. What do you get?
19.89.
And that's your answer there.
What should you do that?
Take the 19 over 18, which is your, 21 over 19, sorry, right here.
Yeah.
Do that on your calculator and multiply it by $18. Whatever number is right here. I did what you told me. I said times 18. And there's a 25 right here. Next question. Each of two parents has the genotype blonde/red, which consists of the pair of alleles, I don't even know what that is, that determine hair color, and each parent contributes one of those alleles to a child. Assume if the child has at least one blonde allele, that color will dominate and the child's hair color will be blonde. Hopefully somebody can tell me what that means, but I really don't care. List the three different possible outcomes. Assume that these outcomes are equally likely. What is the probability that a child and parents will have red/red genotype? What is the probability that the child will have blonde hair? Okay. So it looks like, assume that if a child, so that's blonde, red, and what? Red. Am I crazy or what? Ain't that it? Should be this one right here, maybe. I thought. Okay, I'm not saying anything. I think it would be C, right? What is the probability that? Well, that's 1/3 or 0.33. What's the probability that they will have blonde hair? 0.33. That's what I come up with. Maybe this problem is too easy. I don't know. Be careful on that one. When does homework terminate? Well, I need to change this. Whenever Course Compass says it, because I don't do that anymore. Well, I'm very lenient on y'all. Just don't put the problems that it can't be. It can't be these 4. 3. Good gracious alive. We need to skip this one. What is this? Yeah, we're not doing that one. I'm gonna take it off. All right, do this one. Blow it up a little bit, Dan, so everybody can see the chart. I'll take that other one off. Y'all just be glad I'm in a good mood, okay? You want me to leave it on there? I'll leave it on there if you want. It's too long. You ought to see one of the questions they had in 103. It's got like 15 parts. I took it off too. One question. Awful. All right, this one says, to the right, to the left, to the right are the outcomes and that are possible when a couple has 3 children. Among 3 children, there are exactly 0 boys. I had one student says, there's not anything on here that says 0 boys. I did have a student say that. I don't understand how you can get 0 boys out of this chart. There's nothing that says 0 boys. That's what they said. That's probably the same person that can't make the change with your 6 cent at the cash register. All right, so which one is 0 boys?
Girl, girl, girl.
Good job. And that would be 1/3? Or 1/8? I'm sorry, 1/8. What is the probability of 3 boys?
1/8.
What is the probability of 1 girl? Well, that one you might have to count.
3/8.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Vaughn's on top of things. Way to go, Mr. Vaughn. Except he won't teach when I'm late. All right, next question. If you take several forms of a test in Hubert's class, how is it counted?
B.
I think it should be C. It calls you a loser and fails you. I don't put you live in a ditch on here. I need to start putting that.
Yeah.
I would love to be a programmer at Course Compass. You know, the guy that puts the answer, the fantastic, you got it right, fantastic. Oh, I would love to be that person. Can you imagine if I was that person? You suck. You got the wrong answer. You're going to work at McDonald's. Oh my gosh, they would fire me.
You got it wrong. It's Bush's fault.
Yep, that's true. You could say that too. All right, now somebody tell me which question. We got to go look at the question the question that I started off, and then we got. That's the question about the fraternal
I
twin.
think you got one more question to do. There's 21.
Oh, there is. Oh, I thought there was only 20. Well, I bet. Oh, that's the one that says Donald Duck. Does Hubert replace your lowest test grade with the final exam grade? What's the only answer you can pretty much say? No. Water. Yeah, that's the question we're going to get rid of. Is that it?
Yep.
That's it. 1/2. Did our other answer? Let's look and see.
No, that one, the other one was wrong too. That's what I got when I did it. It's because what I did was you do the probability of just the fraternal twins. So you add up the numbers in the fraternal
Okay,
twins.
that'd be 9 over 18.
Or 18 over 36.
18 over 36.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's do that one over then. I'll do it over for you. I sucked on that one. Let me get back. Okay, all right, everybody just erase that problem and we'll redo it. I'll just show you. I'll just do this thing over. Okay, this one. Did it change?
Yeah.
How did I change it? Oh, the numbers changed. Okay. All right, it says If a pregnant woman is told that she will give birth to fraternal twins, so the first thing you do is you add up the fraternal twins. 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6. Dang old 18 plus 6, 24 would be 30. Thank you, Ms. Scarborough. And it says, what is the probability that she will have one child? That'll be this one and this one, which is 9 and 9 is 18. And what does that reduce down to? Dang old 6 will go in there 3 times, and 6 will go in here 5 times. 3/5 should be your answer. Okay, dang old right answer. There it is. Okay, so that's how you do the problem. Sorry, I led y'all astray. I suck. All right. So what else did we miss? We missed number 5.
That's what that
Yeah.
was.
We missed number 16. That's the, did we get it wrong?
Yeah, because you put on C,
What did I
you
put?
put .33.
What was it? Let's see, the probability that the child will have blonde hair. Blonde.
We also put C on the first one.
I don't see, that's not the problem I did.
No, it's not.
I don't understand.
White, blonde, and red.
There it is.
That's not it either, because it don't have my answers. Where is my problem? Okay, whatever. All right, it says, list the different possible outcomes, assume that these, here's the possible outcomes. Well, to me, it's blonde, 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 brown, and brown, brown,
But you could,
right?
No.
I would say it should be A.
All four.
Yeah.
So you need
Blonde, 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 brown.
brown.
you can have brown one too.
Okay, then that changes everything. All right, the probability that a child, these parents will have the brown genotype would be brown be 1 out of 4, which is 0.25, right?
Yeah.
And then that would be 0.75. Okay. So I just was going too fast. I sucked on that one too. All right, what's the long one?
18.
18? All right. So I made what did I make?
We missed 2.
I made an 86. I suck. All right, y'all good? What time is it? All right, I'll count everybody here today. I've got to turn this off because I got to go to another room and do a dadgum peer evaluation real quick. So, I just got to find the room number.